Hi, today I'm part of your Motorola Razr 40 Ultra and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch by double press from power button on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the gesture section. Here scroll a little bit down and tap to double press power key section. Switch now to launch camera. And now press and hold the power key button twice press and hold the power key button and we could see that the camera application successfully activated. If you want to turn off this option by the same way, go to the settings, tap to gestures, double press power key and switch launch camera to none. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.